If you want to learn how to do this viral rice art trend, stay tuned. Moo ya 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 moo ya 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 show. A Moo Yaya show. Hi guys. Okay, so a lot of people have been asking how I make this rice video. Hold on, this rice video. And so I'm gonna show you how. First, you just need white rice, and my rice isn't white anymore because I colored them. Now, if you want them to be colored, all I did was crush up some eyeshadow, and I'm sorry, James Charles, but I used the eyeshadow for these. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this rice and show you how to make it. So you're gonna wanna make sure that you do it backwards, like a mirror, not upside down, just backwards. So I like to put the general shape of what I'm going to do. So we're gonna do high, so backwards H, little dot, and we'll put a heart. Then you're gonna want to go ahead and shape it, clean it up like so. Then you're gonna use your phone and you're gonna record with slow-mo. I don't film it on TikTok. I use my phone and then upload it to TikTok. And so pretend that this is the board and here's the rice on top of it. From this angle, you're just gonna literally just go a little bit like this, tilt a little, and then drop it down. So if you fly it too high, the rice is gonna go all over the place. It's not gonna look like what you put on there. So just gently, just go like literally like this. And that's all. So let me show you. This is the part that you hope that it doesn't mess up and that it comes out pretty. So I don't feel like standing up. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yep. 3, 2, 1, go.
Did it come out?
I think so.
You don't have to film anymore. Let me see it on. Let me see. Did it come out? Did it come out? Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. Oh, this one's cute. I try not to make a weird face, but I always end up making a weird face. But what was I gonna say? Oh, come here, come here, come here. And that, my friends, is how you do rice art. Ba-dum, poo.